Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Install C++ compiler by installation of development packages running the next command. Next, check the version by running the following command. Create a basic C++ code source with the following command. Insert the following code . Save the file and run it with the next command. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.